Hey everybody, we're here in my garage and I'm gonna demonstrate and give you my thoughts on this mystery heater. It goes from 125 to 170,000 BTUs. It's adjustable on the other side. I think the furnace in my house here is about 90,000 BTUs, something like that, maybe 100. And that furnace has to heat about 2,500 square feet. This mystery heater here is pretty much double the power, and I use it to heat this garage. Okay, it's two bays on this side, and then we've got another. It's a mess. I apologize for the mess, but it's a third bay here. So in total, we're looking at about 650 square feet. Okay, and needless to say, it gets up to comfortable temperature pretty fast with this monster. Now let's just go over here, and we'll have a look at the. I brought my cooking. Whoops, give me a sec here. My cooking thermometer out. It's 43 degrees in the garage. Okay, and let's see how long it takes to get up to, you know, a decent temperature. I mean, even 43, I'm not too bad myself right now, but you know, if I wanted to sit down and not move around, then I'd want it to be at least 60, you know. But anyways, let's here's the controls. Okay, so we've got this guy here. This controls the power of the flame, and the white one is the thermostat. It's the temperature control, and it has a thermostat inside, so it will actually shut off when it reaches the temperature you set it to. Okay, so let's turn it on. Oh man, just standing back here, I can feel the blast. It's wicked, so wicked. But yeah. Let's turn it up a bit. See what happens here. Oh, there we go. So I've got it at maximum flame right now. And okay, so it was at 43, right? Yeah, it's still there. 43. And I purposely put the thermometer on the other side, so it's not like receiving direct air from the heater. Look at that! It's already moving. It's 44, 45. And you get it, and the heater's over here. I could have got a smaller one, but I thought, you know what, I'll get the big one, because you never know, down the road I may end up with a small workshop, or one of my boys might and they can use it too. 48. That's how powerful this heater is. 49. Wow. Crazy stuff. Even all the way over here, I can feel the heat strongly. Sorry about that, I keep chopping my face off. Isn't that incredible? It's really starting to feel warm in here. So I'm going to shut it down now. I always unplug it. So yeah, so it needs hydro. Okay, that runs the fan, and then it's connected to this propane cylinder right here, and it comes with a 10-foot gas pipe. And there you have it, Mr. Heater. And let's see what the final temperature got to. 59. And how long did that take? 5 minutes? Impressive. So I'll put a link down below if you're interested in picking up something like this, or picking up this one. I would pick up this one again for sure. And because it's so powerful, it runs for a few minutes and you shut it off, and you don't have to burn propane, you know, for hours. So anyways, that's it. Best of luck, guys.